Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and my channel name is Bombshell Beauty Lynn. So if you like this look, if you love this look, cause she ain't gonna like it, you gonna love it. So anyways, if you like this look, just continue to watch and enjoy. Alright you guys, so I'm using the Wash Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case. I'm about to go in and use the Tangerine. So before I do that, I'm about to just set my brush with my Milani setting spray. And now I'm just about to put this Tangerine on my eye as a transition shade. Alright, so I'm just finished up applying this Tangerine. So I'm going into my BH Cosmetic palette. I'm using this reddish orange color, and I'm going right below my Tangerine and just going to apply it. Alright, so I'm going right in with the same palette. I'm just getting the black from it. As you can tell, I have been using it. So I'm just going to be pressing the black onto my eyelid. So y'all will see, like, with this part of making like a smoky eye, you have to have like enough black to where when you do blend it out, you can still see it and it just don't be faded away. Alright you guys, so now we get into the blending. So y'all, I'm gonna tell you this now, it's not gonna be just no 2-second blend. You're gonna have to like do a little arm workout to blend. Okay, so this just gonna be blending, just keep blending. Like, that's all I could think about when I was doing this. As you guys, like I said, you're gonna have to like keep blending because you don't want to be looking crazy, look like you got a black eye or nothing. So we just gotta keep blending, make sure this come out right. Alright, so after I finished blending, I was like, something was missing. So I just went in with the same BH Cosmetic palette, the purple as you saw, and I just put that right above where my transition shade was at. Alright, so now that I'm just finished with the eyes right now, I'm going on to the face. I'm using my NYX Photo 11 primer, also with the a liquid illuminator. So I'm going to blend that in, and now I'm about to just start with my face. So that is, my concealer is in Mocha. And so I'm applying that, and then I'm about to apply my contour that I'm using the Wonder Stick, also by NYX, is in Deep Dark, or whatever is the darkest one. So I'm putting that all over, and then I'm using my NYX again foundation. So I'm applying it as well because I'm going to blend all this out at once. Alright, so this is how it looks. Now I'm about to just, this how my face look blended out. So I'm about to put this Ben Nye on my face, my powder. I'm going to put it on my highlight area, so I'll see y'all in a few, okay? Alright you guys, as you see my face, I have my setting powder on. I'll fix it a little bit. So I have my setting powder on. I'm just gonna let this sit while I'm about to finish like deepening up my contour area. Since I am doing a smoky eye, I want my contour to be like snatched. So I'm just going in with my smaller one. So I'm using my angle brush. And I'm starting from up here and working my way down to like right here. I don't want to be like too close right here, and you don't want no harsh lines. Alright, you guys, so it's been a while. So now I'm about to just brush out. Well, yeah, just brush out this powder. So I'm just going in with my Essence black liner. So I'm about to just show y'all how to make it look like you have on lashes when you don't. Alright, so now it's time to do the bottom lid. I'm using that same purple that I showed y'all when I previously, and I'm just starting it from the front part of my eye all the way to the like almost towards the end. I didn't go that far because I will be using a second color also with this purple. Alright, so now I'm about to just smoke it out with the black that I just used on my lid. Alright, you guys, so I had started feeling myself too much, so I started applying my highlighter, and then I realized I didn't even set my face. Alright, you guys, so this is the end result of this look of the smoky eye. So let me give you a side view, another one, and straightforward. The highlight is on point. So if y'all like this look, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to your girl, okay? So I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and I love you guys. Bye-bye.